speaking of acupuncture, relatable din 'yan dun sa una mo na question ano, yung yin and yang, yung
Yes.
ganyan, 5 elements.
Oo.
Kasi, each meridian of the body, we have 12 meridians. That's where actually the energy flows, no?
Okay.
So those are the highways of the energy that keeps the balance of energy that are flowing towards each of the organ, no?
Okay.
So if there will be blocks along the highway, pag nagkaroon ng traffic sa highway, hindi
Yes.
hindi mata-transport ng maayos yung energy
Energy.
on each particular organ. So magkakaroon ng disharmony. So that's how disease manifests. So with acupuncture, what you do is you stimulate certain points along those meridians. So kumbaga sa highway, meron yung mga station, and
Yes.
each particular station has particular purpose, no? So each point along the meridian can actually remove blocks, or it can increase the energy, or it can tonify, it could expel energy, it could remove the blocks. So there are different functions of each points.
Yes.
So that's the function of the needle, to stimulate those points so that you
Ah,
could achieve a particular effect to restore the balance within the body. That's how you explain it in the traditional Chinese medicine
yes.
perspective. But in the Western medicine, they have a different explanation naman, which is
Oo.
also very plausible. Kasi Western medicine explains that when you put a needle inside the body, it would stimulate a particular nerve, including the vagus nerve, which is the largest nerve of the parasympathetic nervous system. So it allows your brain to have a relaxation response to counter stress. So basically, it's the it's the parasympathetic nervous system balancing the sympathetic nervous system. So ganon. And at the same time, another mechanism would be if you put needles, it will signal the brain to release neurotransmitters, no, yung mga
Hmm.
dopamine, serotonins, ganyan. So it would balance out the stress hormones, the cortisol hormones.
Okay.
So there are a lot of things, no, that happen that the medical scientists have observed why acupuncture becomes effective.
Oo. Tsaka accepted na siya sa medical field, 'di ba, in a way?
Yes. And also, ang mahalaga rin, another side of TCM is the diagnosis eh.
Yes. So ginagawa niyo 'yon, yung gano'n? Yung tatlong daliri?
Pulse diagnosis,
Oo, oo.
oo. So, pulse diagnosis, merong tongue diagnosis. They would ask you to stick out your tongue so they can
Ah,
see some patterns in your tongue.
okay.
So, that's also one kind of diagnosis. Merong observation lang sa face
Oh,
or
talaga?
sa observation ng voice mo. Or they would ask about your sleeping, your urine, your feces, ganyan, kung anong kulay. So, for them to be able to see the pattern
Okay.
of the disease. Kasi in traditional Chinese medicine, there are patterns of the disease. If you're more yin, more yang, more earth, more ganyan, kung anong pathogen mo, if it's phlegm or if it's dampness, ganyan.
Yes.
Kung anong organ yung affected, ganyan. So, we base on that kind of diagnosis to identify the pattern. So, the pattern will direct us what what protocol would we
Oo.
use, no?
Yes.
And what particular herbs we need to prescribe to the patient, no? So yun, so it also all about the diagnosis kasi may pattern, and you have to balance out that pattern. You have to remove the pathogen. That's the mechanism behind the traditional Chinese medicine healing.